everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix the application was unable to start correctly and the error code is 0xc000007b. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error code 0xc000007b, then I will show you a couple of few steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is just click on this search menu or start menu, then type here system configuration. You can see here system configuration, click on this. In this you can see here services, click on that, click on hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all. Click on apply, then click OK. After that you have to restart your PC. After completion of this restart, then try the second method. Click on the search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor, click on yes. In this you can see here HK local machine, double click and expand. After that, double click and expand the software folder. After that, you need to find Microsoft, double click and expand. In this, you need to find Windows NT folder. You can see here Windows NT folder, double click and expand. After that, you will find current version. Double click and expand. In this you have to find Windows. You can see here Windows, just you have to single click on that, come to the right side. In this you have to find load app initl underscore ddll s. You have to just double click and this make sure that it should be 0 and click OK and close this window. Open the CMD, right click on this, then click on run as administrator. Click on this to allow. Here you need to type sfc /scan now. After typing this, it will take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix application was unable to start correctly and the error code is 0xc000007b. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.